they realize things just ain't the same without you. The person that treated you bad, that said that people like you come a dime a dozen, that they got plenty people on their roster, they spin the block and do whatever they want to do, they got all this money, they got all this and that. That same person today is sitting there empty handed, soul hurting, mind going crazy, feelings hurt, because they realized that they did you so wrong. And even though they tried to replace you with another body, with somebody who may resemble you, who may talk like you, who may act like you, but the difference is it's not you. This person really thought that by ending it with you, that they would be better off without you. They thought that if they cut you off, if they start communicating with you, if they went like radio silence and went on with their lives, that it would be better off without you. But what this person is really feeling today is an empty space in their heart, in their schedule, in their daily activities, because they realize now that things are just not the same without you. See, sometimes people can really look at a person that has a beautiful person like you in their lives, and they will begin to influence them. Maybe they went through something. Maybe they're not happy in their relationship. Maybe they saw what the two of you had and they wanted to talk against it. But whatever the case may be, this person was influenced, and now they're sitting there looking crazy because they realize that life is just not as fulfilling, as beautiful, as colorful without you. It's easy to take advantage of somebody, talk down on someone, misuse someone, emotionally exploit someone, manipulate somebody, and just be hateful and mean until that person is gone. And that's what happened with you. It's just not the same without you around. You have gone on with your life. You've went through the pain. You felt the disconnect. You felt the ache in your heart. You know how it is to be brokenhearted. You feel like it's nobody else in the world but that one person. And then God's like, wake up already. And you realize it's so much more to life than just somebody. What's so good is that you were able to find out that the most important part of your life is your divine connection with God. And that divine connection allowed you to really crack the shell of who was lying beneath the hurt, the pain, the trauma, the cycles, the crazy relationship, with you allowing people to talk just straight up crazy to you. You found you. And that is something that the devil never wanted you to do. But by contrast, the person that treated you bad, that said that people like you come a dime a dozen, that they got plenty people on their roster, they spin the block and do whatever they want to do, they got all this money, they got all this and that. That same person today is sitting there empty handed, soul hurting, mind going crazy, feelings hurt, because they realized that they did you so wrong. And even though they tried to replace you with another body, with somebody who may resemble you, who may talk like you, who may act like you, but the difference is it's not you. Because what God has given you is a divine spirit that is totally attached to who you are. Your divine nature, your characteristic traits, the way that you do what you do, the way that you talk, the warmth that you bring, the aura that you have, the spirit you're connected to, the wisdom that God has bestowed upon you, all all of these things they tried to find in someone else, and they ended up empty-handed. You got the shell, but you didn't have the spirit. You got the companion, but you ain't got the connection. You got the person, but they ain't got the power, because the power lies with you. And so they thought that their lives would be better off without you. They may have these things, but the one thing they don't have is you. And today, as they sit there in the pain, like you did so many times, what they're realizing today, and I just want you to hear this, because sometimes when you get hurt, you get your feelings hurt, you feel so bad, you feel like, man, I would never find another person, or why does this continue to happen to me? And I really thought this person was this way. I really thought this person could see me for who I really was, not for what they thought I could be. How could they do me this way? You know, it just goes on and on sometimes when you feel this pain inside. But you asking those questions and really sitting still and not pulling in substitutes to be like a band-aid over the spiritual pain that you were feeling, but allow God to come in, his spirit to be like an antidote for your pain, to transmute your pain, to transmute that dark energy away from you. You found peace. And in the midst of the storm that they're currently in, they wish they could pull you in as a lifesaver, because what they realized today, they were better with you, because they're finding it hard to make it without you. Pray for them. Think about it. And until the next video, guys, peace, because I still be believing in you too. Have a great evening. Bye now.